Congratulations for being the proud owner of Symphony Silver Eye. This cooler is ideal for small rooms, offices, shops, etc. Please keep the doors or windows open for cross ventilation before you start the cooler. Otherwise, you will not get the desired cooling effect. The water tank in Silver Eye is removable and easily cleanable. Rotate this knob to unlock the tank. Now remove the tank from the cooler. Take this tank near a water source and fill the water into it. If required, you can clean it and then you can fill water. Now, push the tank into the cooler and lock it. Pollutants and dust present in the air are washed by the cooling pad which get deposited in this tank. After using the cooler, you will be able to see the washed pollutants in the water through this transparent water tank. Now your Silver Eye is ready to be used. Plug it in and switch on. You can operate the cooler using this Feather Touch control panel or with the remote handset. Press the power button on the remote to start the cooler. These lowers get shut off completely when the cooler is switched off. It prevents the dust and insects to get inside. Press cooling button to start the water flow on the cooling pads. You can press the cooling button twice to choose electronic humidity control mode. Choose this mode when the humidity level is high. Now press fan button on the remote or on the control panel to start the airflow. Press this button to choose between 3 speed levels: high, medium and low speed. You can also opt for natural mode where the speed varies every 90 seconds to give you a feel of natural airflow. You can choose sleep mode where the fan will run on high speed for first 2 hours, then on medium speed for 1 hour, and after that will continue to run on low speed so that you get a perfect ambience for sleep. You can set the off timer up to 7 hours by pressing the timer button multiple times on the remote or on the control panel. Silver Eye has automatic horizontal and vertical lowers for multi-directional airflow. You can press H swing button to adjust horizontal lower position or keep them oscillating. You can press V swing button to adjust vertical lower movement or to keep them oscillating. It has an empty water tank alarm that sets off when the water level becomes low. The pump stops automatically to prevent overheating and burning of the pump. The water icon on the control panel will keep on blinking till you fill the water tank. Silver Eye has strong caster wheels. You can take it anywhere indoor or outdoor. It has an ergonomic handle with soft grip for easy movement. The back panel can be removed for easy servicing. These pads and filters also can be removed easily for cleaning. Please clean the pads and filters regularly for better cooling and clean air. It has a power cord winder where you can wind the power cord when the cooler is not in use. The remote can be placed in the remote slot given on the top. Because of iPure technology, you can use Silver Eye round the year to get filtered pure air. Thank you.